before I get into the actual video, I want to give a shout out to Official Toju. I hope I said your name right, bro. Make sure y'all go check him out, man. Dude, if you're watching this, I really appreciate it. Thank you for letting me use your beat. Check him out, man. His beats are fire. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Peace. Alright, so what the fuck's cracking, you guys? First off, man, I want to talk about what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a handheld mirror, just like this. $1 at the dollar store, man. Super cheap. This helps with looking at the back of your head. You can use your phone as an alternative, but this is way more reliable, bro, and you're not gonna have people calling you. Trust me on that. You can also get a mirror like this if you can hang it up behind you. Like, I used to use this mirror as and I used to put it behind me so I can get a 360 view of my cut. The second thing you're gonna need, clippers. I have two. This one is a Remington. I got this at Walmart for like 15 bucks. This is pretty good. Is it the best one you can get? No. Obviously you have better alternatives, but I think this is solid. I like to use this for the fade. I have another one right here, and I use this. This is a Conair, I believe. I use this one to just shave my shit, man. Just use it as a zero. Really loud too. It's like a freaking Uzi. Like, by the way, the guard definitely helps because I find that it gives your fade more detail and more of a cleaner look. So yeah, man, that's that. $15, $10. Go to your Walmart and just pick one up. The last thing you're gonna need, scissors, just for, you know, little details and whatnot. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. By the way, I am using clippers number 1, 3, and 5 in this video. So yeah, that's that. That's what you're gonna need.
Toju on the beat.
Noel.
Alright, you guys, so I realized that I forgot to show the part where I line up my hairline. But lining up your hairline, man, it's easy and it's simple, but you have to be careful. So for me personally, my hair grows this way. So what I do is I like to use scissors because it gets the little hairs and all that. So I get the scissors, pretend it's already cut and all that, it's looking all fresh. I brush it to the front and I just follow my hairline, dude, just like that. Simple. Just cut it to the front. And so for the sides it's easy too. But see, here's the thing, you just gotta create a technique for yourself. My technique is I just touch it and I just edge it up, man. That's all it is. Just boom, just like that. Just touch it up just like that. You don't have to go hard on it. There's no reason. If you are gonna go hard on it, just be careful, man. But there's no reason to go hard on it, because you're gonna, if you do go hard on it, you're gonna push it back. Trust me when I say that. And you know, for this side, it's a little bit challenging for me because it's curved, but it's just boom, man, just like that. Just follow the hairline. Be smart with your cuts. All right, so yeah, that's how you line up. Alrighty, and we've come to the end of the video, man. Here's the finishing result. Boom. I'm gonna put a picture up. I realized there was a little bit of hair here if you look closely, but obviously I shaved it off and now my hair is long as shit. I've told you guys that I want to grow out my hair, so yeah, going through that awkward stage right now. And yes, I did just take a shower. So anyways, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave your comments and questions down below, man. Cutting your hair, it's hard at first, but trust me, with practice you're gonna get it, bro. You're gonna get it. So yeah, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. This is Mark checking out.